On December 29, 2024, a tragedy struck the skies above South Korea. What started as a routine international flight turned into one of the deadliest aviation disasters in recent history. This is the story of Jeju Air Flight 2216, a flight that would never reach its destination. Jeju Air Flight 2216 was a scheduled passenger flight operated by South Korea's budget carrier, Jeju Air. It departed Swarnabhumi Airport in Bangkok, Thailand, heading for Muon International Airport in South Korea. The Boeing 737-8088 was a trusted aircraft operated for Jeju Air since 2017. Just days before the crash, the airline resumed flights to Muon after a pandemic-induced pause, with the plane flying a total of 13 trips in 48 hours. Everything seemed normal. The flight took off from Bangkok at 2:28 am local time on December 29. It was a peaceful journey, and by the time the plane neared Muon International Airport, everything seemed routine. But then, at 8:57 am, a warning came in. The pilots received a warning about a possible bird strike. Just moments later, the crew declared a Mayday alert. They had a problem. The Boeing 737 had just descended for its final approach when a bird strike occurred. The birds likely caused a malfunction in the aircraft's hydraulic system, preventing the landing gear from deploying. The pilots, forced into a difficult decision, opted for a go-around. But they were already facing significant trouble. The plane circled back for another attempt at landing, but something was terribly wrong. During the second landing attempt, the aircraft came in too fast and too low. With no landing gear deployed, the plane belly landed on the runway, skidding uncontrollably. The plane traveled nearly 1,200 meters down the runway, well beyond the normal touchdown zone. Before it collided with a berm that supported an antenna array, a massive explosion followed. The crash claimed the lives of 179 people, including 179 passengers and 4 crew members. It was South Korea's deadliest aviation disaster in decades and the first fatal accident in Jeju's air history. 2 flight attendants were the only survivors, found among the wreckage, severely injured but alive. They were pulled from the tail section of the aircraft. Emergency crews worked tirelessly to recover the bodies and retrieve flight data recorders from the wreckage. The investigation began almost immediately, with authorities suspecting the bird strike and landing gear failure as major contributing factors. Experts from Boeing, the National Transportation Safety Board, and South Korean authorities are collaborating to uncover the exact cause of the crash. Bird strikes are not uncommon, but Muon International Airport had one of the highest rates in South Korea. Authorities had recommended the implementation of anti-bird measures at the airport, but delays in construction work hindered their execution. The consequences were tragic. The victims of the crash were not just numbers. Among the 175 passengers were families, government officials, and people returning home from a Christmas vacation. Their lives were cut short in an instant. Among the passengers was a family of 9, including a 3-year-old child, all of whom perished in the crash. A community was left shattered by the loss. Jeju Air Flight 2216 will forever be remembered, and the investigation will ensure that lessons are learned and safety is improved for all who travel by air. Thank you for watching. If you find this story insightful, please like, subscribe and share to spread awareness of the importance of safety in aviation. Stay informed, stay safe.